my youth, just go. Me, doctor, lawyer, scientist, and teacher, and me can't even read neither.
How will you say your name?
Yeah, Jebbe.
Okay.
Tobacco boy, how that go?
Tobacco boy,
Yeah.
Lord me Jesus. You know, it's when you grow your children them, how you grow the children, what's so they growing up.
Same so.
Yeah. I mean, I tell you one night time say, what you are when you hold is that you learn when you're young.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. This lady did have, they grew one daughter,
Mm-hmm.
grew one girl. And this is her daughter. She grew the girl, and the girl was like a wayward girl, you know, so she run up and down and thing like that. So she go and she come back pregnant.
Mm-hmm.
So when she come back now, they tell she have a baby. Come out to be the baby, is a boy baby. And before she could have drop the baby, she go and left the baby with the old lady.
Mm.
So the whole lady is a woman where smoke her tobacco and sitting.
Mm.
So the boy grew up with her and so forth. He don't know nobody else beside her. And he respect her to love her, but before the boy could have know it, the boy started smoke tobacco too.
Mm-hmm.
But you know, Jamaica, them don't call it tobacco, you know. They don't call it tobacco, you know what they call it?
What?
Fronto.
Oh, fronto.
You know what you about fronto?
I think so, yes.
Then it's a bacco, man.
Fronto.
They turn you around and call it fronto.
Oh, instead of bacco.
Bacco, they don't say tobacco, they say fronto.
Me understand what you mean now.
You know, they don't say bacco, they say fronto. So the boy learn to smoke tobacco, so. The old lady knows say smoke tobacco, so.
That grandson.
Yeah, boy, yeah.
Mm.
And he start smoking weed and so forth. He do a big, maybe about 15 or so.
Mm.
And old lady give him piece of tobacco sometimes because she knows say smoke tobacco. So one morning, she wake up and the DJ look after something. He say, boy, I come in the kitchen and say, Granny. What you say? Yeah, we want to live in front of me. He said, what you say, quiet? Want to live in front of me, I beg you, man. He said, take yourself foot out. Don't damn out harder. I start dicking me the fry pan in the head, you know. So one lady next door come over and say, what go on? Jesus Christ. You know hear what happened? The little boy come in and walk me in front, man.
She never knows her fronto then call it.
She not, oh no, they don't know the new slang.
Oh.
So the lady come from this world and say, what go on in here? You know hear what, man? The little boy come in and ask me for front. You know, I lie, I tell you, man. I lie, she tell for me. I'm going to front of me, ask her for you know. No, Mama Jane, no. I saw they call it tobacco, you know. Where you say they call it? Me no know nothing about no front, nothing. Tobacco. So, the old lady don't know, say.
A fronto them a call it.
I knew style that.
A fish a fronty boy a beg her.
So, the whole time slang now, a front, the old lady knows it. The boy come in and ask me for front, man. What a face, boy, you know. I lie, I tell you, man. I lie, I tell. Because I walk up front of me, you know, me ask him for. You know, they want to, you were going. A tobacco in time attack, so they call it fronto. You know, fronto. You don't know about the front, missus. You don't know about front. This is right, it all.